What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna be going through the internet basically ranting why I hate scalpers. So let's get started. But first I want you to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and don't forget to watch until the end. So first, let's start out with eBay. eBay.com GeForce RTX 3080. Alright, let's see what pops. Okay, well, I wonder why they got the review. Okay, scalper, just like this. Okay, yeah, they kind of deserve those reviews, but like, why? I don't know exactly how much it is, but I think that should be around like, let's say 600, 700, I think 3080 MSRP price. Let me see, 699, so yeah, I was close, so $700. But like, what the frick? It's too much money. This scalper needs to get a real job. Like, please don't do that. It's just mean. Like, I want to game, you know, not pay a lot of money to game. I mean, we already are paying a lot of money, but I mean, you know what I mean. I don't want to pay extra, you know. Look, this one, 3070, yeah, that's expensive for a 3070. Video, oh my god. They're just showing their order. How much they're selling it? Oh my god. I wish I could leave reviews or something. Because like, frick this scalper. Like, look at this. All of this. Look. Oh my god. Look. Oh. Oh my god. 1,500 for 38. Why? Just why? Oh my god. No returns or cancellations yet because you want to keep that money, you know. 3080, 3080. Oh wait, we should just look for, let's see how much 3090 is. Probably gonna be way more. Let's see. 2220. Oh, wow, freaking scalpers. Wait, what? Excuse me? Oh, $200 shipping. What the hell? Oh my god, what the hell? So you have to pay $300 for that, and then another $200 for shipping. Like, why? That doesn't make sense that you would have to pay $200 for a graphics card. Like, it's not even that heavy. Like, why? Is that why that's expensive? Because you put the Supreme sticker on it? What is wrong with scalpers? Like, what the frick? Why the frick is this so much? Let's look at the reviews. Absolutely graphics card. Yeah, these are kind of stupid people. Look, scalped on the wide scale. Yeah, alright. Thank you for leaving that review. Next. Oh my god. What is wrong with scalpers? Oh my god, just look all of these. Like, why? Alright, we're gonna look at RX. I forget what's the name of the cards, but like RX68. Let's try that. Okay, oh, this a little bit expensive, yep. I knew it's gonna be the same thing. Why is there so expensive? Like, look at it. Like, why? Is this even a real post? Like, I mean, this looks nice, but like, I don't even know if this is a real post or not. Like, right about do not buy, way too expensive. Yeah, thank you for leaving that review. Okay. Gigabyte. Why do these scalpers exist? Why do scalpers exist? Like, why the frick do they exist? Do they not have another way to make money? Like, oh, what the hell? Benefits charity, yeah. Yeah. Let me see. Shipping for $9. These are just ripoffs. I doubt that's going for charity, but anyways, let's see. Like, look, why are these graphics cards like so expensive? You know, like if I go to Micro Center, Like, look, this is a micro center, right? Look, if I go to computer parts, let me see, video cards. Let's just say I'm from California, which I'm not, but I'm not gonna say where I'm from. I'm trying to look for the newer cards. Let's just put the most expensive, high price. Okay. Alright, this is okay. So where I'm from, the micro center is like sold out. Like they're sold out of any cards, even the new ones. They're sold out. So I don't know. Well, I guess California gets more priority than my store that's near me, I guess. So I'm not gonna put my store there, but like, yeah, so, yeah, like sold out a micro center where I'm from, but I don't want to show you guys where I'm from. They got zero in stock. Like, what the frick? Why? Freaking scalpers. What's up, everyone? This is KingDoom, and thank you for watching till the end. I would appreciate if y'all subbed and liked this video because it will help me so much, and to know that y'all want more of this content. So that's it for this video. Bye, everyone.